Hello guys, hi, this is Vic from MBOs and good to see you all again from a beautiful daytime, and where you can see a beautiful palm garden. And actually I'm standing in a farming place, and these days now the season time where you can see a big ground, and you can see the land. Actually these days very hot and very dry climate, where you can see the sweating, and a friend is watching. He's doing his work. He's protecting the land side, where you can see some food, and some other friends are surround me. Actually really due to the COVID-19, and we all are working, and also I just like to be with this nature, and I came to this place. That's great. Hope you guys are doing your work well, work from home or study from home. So stay at your home and do your work well, and be safe guys. Thank you very much. Hi guys. No introductions about the place. First to feel this environment, the silent place. I'm going to be silent for a few seconds. Yes, I'm at the inside. It's like a palm garden, surrounded of many palm trees. You can see that the big and tall, branches and leaves. So this tree has many stories, and also these palm trees, where I can tell you it's a very important plant. Where you can use it for the food, and also for the export-import purpose. So really, I'm very happy to spend my time with this palm garden. Right now I'm at the Kilnochi. Some people know about it. The Kilnochi, it's the northern province. It's great experiences. You can see the palm fruits all at the dry, and this season is a palm seasons, and where you can get some toddy like palm drinks, and the fruits, and the leaves, where we can do some kind of handcraft items. Typically north and easterns in Sri Lanka, the many trees you can see in the region, and this is for the produce. This tree and the whole stuff is very important for doing the commercial purpose, like handcraft items, and many people doing export-import business in the north regions and the eastern regions, and where you can see how many trees surround me. So really great, and just thought to share with you guys. Thank you very much watching my mini vlogging, and if you like it, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. Thank you very much.